creative friends. This is the first in a series of videos I want to make to give you some new ideas for adding places to write in a junk journal. This is a little mini book that looks like a tag, but when you push the top tag to the side, you'll see that there are several pages in there. It's super simple to make. Anybody can do it. I'm going to use a small tag punch, but you don't have to. You can use any size tag you want. Just cut a template so that you make sure that your cover and your pages are the same size. I'm using papers that I painted with watercolors, and it's watercolor paper, so they are pretty heavy and thick. So this is what I use for the covers. You can use scrapbook paper, you can get a magazine cover, a book text, whatever you want. But just go ahead and make your tag covers, the front and the back. For the pages inside, I'll cut them out of recipe cards. I like these because they're a little thicker than regular writing paper, but it's not quite as thick as cardstock, and they're really cheap. I can get, large packages at the dollar stores, and they come in different sizes and colors, and some have printed lines and dots, and some are just plain. So they're very useful in various crafts and junk journals, at least I think so. So, get your package of those index cards, and you can use them for a lot of different things. Okay, so let's put together our little book. So we will choose the covers and then the pages. And personally, I wouldn't put too many pages in here because it would get too thick for your journal. 1 to 4 pages would probably be enough so that you have the fronts and backs, and actually that's quite a bit of extra space. And make all of your pages the same size, same shape as your cover. And then you can use a paper punch to make holes in the top. So line them up so the pages are hidden when it's closed. And when you fasten it, there are quite a few ways that you can do that. What I'm going to do is use a brad. I'm not sure what they're called in all countries, but that's what I'll call them. And here's a close-up of what this creature, this brad, is. It's a little metal paper holder, and it has 2 arms or wings on the back that you spread out once you put it through a hole in your paper. As a variation, I was thinking you could use a crocodile and you could put an eyelet in there instead. I know a lot of people probably don't have that tool. I didn't for a long time, and I still don't know how to use it very well, but that would work. And I was also thinking that you could tie a piece of ribbon or lace in there, but the pages probably would not slide as well. So you'll have to experiment with this. I'm sure that you can think of several other variations on how to fasten it. And there are lots of ways that you can use this in a journal. You could put it in a little pocket like this. Or you could slip it over the top of a page or the side of a page, and it's like a tab. So I hope you enjoyed this project and you make your own tag booklets for your journals. I'd love to see them, so if you would post them below, that would be great. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please feel free to share it on social media and with your friends. And I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. Just click that button below. Like I said, I'm going to do a series of videos on hidden journal spots, so stay tuned for those, and thanks again for watching. Have a great day.